हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपके साथ यास्मीन। वरुण धवन और आलिया भट्ट की फिल्म कलंक को थिएटर्स पर रिलीज हुए 2 दिन पूरे हो चुके हैं। फिल्म ने जहां पहले दिन 21 करोड़ 60 लाख की कमाई की थी, वहीं अब लीजिए फिल्म के दूसरे दिन का कलेक्शन भी सामने आ गया है। फिल्म ने दूसरे दिन 11 करोड़ 45 लाख रुपए का कारोबार किया है, जिसकी जानकारी ट्रेड एक्सपर्ट तरन आदर्श ने ट्विटर के जरिए दी है। बता दें कि फिल्म के दूसरे दिन की कमाई में पूरे 50% का घाटा हुआ है, जो कि काफी हैरान करने वाला है। ट्रेड एक्सपर्ट को लग रहा है कि कलंक की कमाई में दूसरे दिन 30 से 40% की गिरावट आना लाजमी था, लेकिन 50% की गिरावट देखकर तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है कि फिल्म को मिले खराब रिव्यूज के चलते कमाई में असर देखने को मिल रहा है। बता दें कि दर्शकों को माधुरी दीक्षित और संजय दत्त की जोड़ी से बहुत सारी उम्मीदें थीं, जो सालों के बाद बड़े पर्दे पर लौटी है, लेकिन ये भी कुछ खास कमाल दिखाने में कामयाब नहीं हुई। अभिषेक वर्मन का डायरेक्शन भी फिल्म को बचाने में कामयाब नहीं हो पा रहा है। जिस हिसाब से ये फिल्म कमाई कर रही है, उसे देखकर तो ऐसा ही लगता है कि ये फिल्म अपना बजट भी नहीं निकाल पाएगी। कल देखने वाली बात तो अब ये होगी कि क्या ये फिल्म 100 करोड़ का आंकड़ा पार कर पाएगी या नहीं। वैसे आपकी इस पर क्या राय है, हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं।
That's good, no? That's comforting. Great. Yeah. Okay, Alia, I have to ask you. You must have been given a brief कि गाना है घर मोरे परदेसिया, पिक्चराइज हुआ है माधुरी जी के साथ. What was your हालत like in that moment?
Well, I had one very important question कि क्या मैं माधुरी मैम के साथ डांस कर रही हूँ, और अभिषेक ने कहा नहीं, तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. He's like, but she'll be there standing the whole time watching you.
Judging you.
So no, watching. Judging is a bit of a negative emotion, but I would say watching me. And then I said, okay, I don't know what's worse, because having Madhuri ma'am just standing there looking at me, or the fact that I may dance with her and it's okay, then even nobody's going to look at me anyway, so it's okay, I probably just run with it. But ma'am was very, very, very kind, very supportive, constantly telling me how to spot. Remember when I had to take those spins? Whenever I needed to spot, she said, look at me, don't worry, and I'll just spot here.
That's the hardest part, looking at you. ऐसे कितना nervousness होगा. But she really brought out the whole, adaएं and itrana and all that in you. I've never seen even that avatar before.
Well, honestly, it's the song, and all credit goes to the way it was shot and everything.
Fabulous. And what did you have to critique on Alia's performance?
There's no critique. I think I was enjoying myself watching her. It was a surprise that she was doing like a classical number, और इतना अच्छी तरीके से कर रहे थे, and I was like surprised. I said, wow, that's great, because she put her heart and soul into it. I think you rehearsed for it, and it all showed, and it's so beautiful. The song is beautiful, and it's celebratory, and everybody's happy, and she's smiling, and she's just looking beautiful.
मैं सच बोल दूं, it's a very big deal for us also. जग्गू और तराना बहुत ही आइकॉनिक पेयर है रेडियो के, जो हम सब ने कभी ना कभी अपने जिंदगी में सुना है इन लोगों को. They went off radio. You all have been on a hiatus for how long now?
Quite a few years.
See, it boils down to revealing ages. So we're trying to avoid. No, but you're right. It's been years. It's been
Alia
years.
was in school when we stopped.
We've discussed how I was 9 years old.
When we started, you
But
were about 8 or 9.
Were you in school when you were 8 or 9, or
Now, obviously, I was in
you
school
started acting at what age?
when I was 18, 17.
No, your launch was not then, no? Your actual launch, Sangha, oi.
No, you
Sangharsh.
हाँ, stop lying.
I forgot about it.
what they
Debut,
call
हाँ.
child artist.
I was 6 that time.
6. तो 6 साल की उम्र में she stopped school then.
What rubbish.
हाँ, she became an actor. She was a working
ये
actor.
पोल खोल रहा है, or should I just sit on him?
Yeah, you should sit on
I
him,
think you
Jaggu.
should sit
I
on him
should
and then
sit on-
never get up.
You'll notice now.
Who?
Always in any panel, I will always be the largest.
अच्छा, you said you. I thought you were saying you come and sit on me. I was like,
So Kalank, we've seen the trailer, we've seen all the songs. Where is the song with you dancing in it? Where is the song with the two of you dancing together? When do we get to see that?
so.
Marketing head will answer.
That would be Varun.
No, I think it's Alia also. But why don't you say
Yes.
what's next?
Honestly, Madhuri ma'am's song is a very, very special song in the film, and also for us, because it's Madhuri ma'am and Saroj ma'am collaborating after a really long time, and it is, I think that, and it is, I have to say, one of my favorite songs. It's one of my favorite songs in the albums. Like, I play that song first always every morning. I listen to the whole album, and Madhuri ma'am song I play first.
But
have you
Sarojji
picked
herself is
Or
quite
ga-
excited about it. She's been, well, after a long time actually talking to the press.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
So actually it's
But
been
it was a
fabulous.
very big deal, and I was there in that moment as well. Actually, when Saroj ma'am came on set to see the set when they were going to discuss, and I just saw the energy between the two of them. It was so beautiful.
I just want to know, ki you said you listen to the song a lot because even I listen to it a lot. What do you do when you listen to the song? What are you doing usually?
What do you mean?
मतलब when you're hearing the song, what are you doing most of the time?
Singing?
No, because it's called तबाह हो गए. So मतलब usually मैं जब नहा रहा हूँ तो मैं गाने सुनता हूँ, but तबाह हो गए.
I can listen to when I'm in the car, when I'm like, when I'm doing my hair and makeup, when I'm in the shower, whenever I want.
I'm going to listen to it when I work out because it's called तबाह हो गए. और जब मैं बहुत सारे sets कर रहा हूँ, मैं बस वो गाना गाऊँगा.
You know, that's so interesting. We put it out on Insta just a couple of hours ago that Varun's physique gets better and better with every movie. And I don't have a movie to watch, but I've seen the trailers and I know this is you and me, but oh my God, well done.
It's a very intimate moment we've just
It
shared.
was a very intimate.
No,
Yes,
but
Varun's physique is lovely, but coming back to the song,
Yeah.
it is out on the 9th.
we hope गाना
that's the
out
next
होने
song,
वाला
तबाह
है
हो
on
गए.
9th of April. बहुत बड़ा गाना है. सरोज खान, माधुरी दीक्षित back after how many years, ma'am?
I think 5-6 years. I worked with her in Gulab Gang. She did one of my songs in Gulab Gang. And after that, we are working on this movie, on this song. I think it's a beautiful song. It's sad. It's got some lovely beats, and there's a lot of heart in the song because the story is also going on and coming to a head, and you know. So there are a lot of elements in the song which kind of adds to it.
I want to ask a dance related question. मुझे पूछना है कि आपने रिहर्सल कितने दिनों के लिए की मैम इसके लिए, ये गाने के लिए?
30 minutes, probably.
नहीं, मैं हमेशा रिहर्स करती हूँ अपने सॉन्ग्स के पहले, और इसके लिए मैंने आई थिंक आई रिहर्स फॉर 2-3 days for this song. Yeah.
No, but there is one portion in the song, ma'am, which I think we should talk about over here since we're all here, where you do some chakkars. I think we should discuss that because that was just like, it just blew our mind. How many chakkars have you taken in this?
I didn't count how many chakkars I did, but it was a coda जो चलता रहता है. And we thought, how do we make it different dance wise? Because उसमें we could have done a lot of other things, but then it becomes very common. So we thought, why not just take different kind of chakkars there are in dance in Kathak. So we have done like different chakkars in that continuously, like in one shot.
Yeah,
So
for whole one shot.
yeah, so it was nice, it was fun, and it's always wonderful working with Sarojji because I think we share a lovely rapport. I understand her, and I think she shoots women, like when she works with women, there's no way. I mean, she just makes the woman look beautiful, and it was wonderful working with her again.
But you know, just literally from the trailers, and only just to the extent that we can get to see what is there in the trailers, and from what's being said all over the place, we're looking at a story of eternal love. Okay, just bigger picture. You think eternal love now actually exists? Tinder का ज़माना है, dating apps का ज़माना है. Does eternal love even exist? As a philosophical question.
Varun will be best suited to answer this question.
No, Adi, I feel you have some nice deep thoughts to say about eternal love.
Yeah,
You
let
must
us know.
add a few
What's your
words.
point of view on that?
My point of view on eternal love is how do I know how it was back then? So I don't know if I have any perspective on this. I feel love, the emotion is still felt the same today as it might have been felt 100 years ago. I don't think any changes in technology or anything in that can change what that feeling is. Of course, society has changed and we have so many more choices and it gets, maybe things change around, but love is the same, no?
I think definitely प्यार होता है. I think हमारी जो फिल्म है वो एक्सप्लेन करता है. आई थिंक एन आर्टिस्ट लाइक माधुरी दीक्षित जो इतने सालों से काम कर रही है, उनको अपने आर्ट के तरफ आर्ट के प्रति इतना प्रेम है कि इतने सालों के बाद भी वो काम इतनी शिद्दत से कर रही है, इतनी लगन के साथ कर रही है, दैट शी कैन स्टिल कम बैक एंड गिव अ एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट एंड लुक अ एब्सोल्यूट बेस्ट, एंड दैट्स ओनली लव फॉर द आर्ट. And I think
eternal love
that's
for art.
eternal love. That's
Yes.
eternal love.
I would like to say one thing related to love, and also since we've spoken about Madhuri ma'am's song which is called Tabaa, कि अक्सर लोग मोहब्बत में तबाह हो जाते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग अपनी तबाही में भी मोहब्बत ढूंढ लेते हैं. कलंक मोहब्बत की कहानी है, तबाही की नहीं.
Wow. Well done. Fantastic segue.
So in the trailer, you say बर्बाद हो जाओगी, and
बर्बाद हो जाओगी दर्द के अलावा और कुछ नहीं दे सकता
दर्द के
मैं।
अलावा और कुछ नहीं दे
ये
सकता.
मैंने पहली बार जब मैं आलिया को मिला था मैंने तभी भी कहा था
So
उसको।
in real life, if that was ever the proposition to either one of you, would you say yes?
Oh God.
Like, don't be in love with me, don't be foolish. But I mean, the movie is encouraging you to yes. Why not? It is a.
जब प्यार होता है तो आप कभी सोचते नहीं हो ना, आप ज्यादा सोचते नहीं हो कि गलत क्या है सही क्या है। ये अग्री भी कर रहा है मेरे साथ। हाँ अभी हुआ है तेरे को। क्योंकि जब होता है तो फिर आप सोचते नहीं हो जब प्यार होता है जो गलत है जो सही है। बट मैं बहुत लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो हमारी फिल्म है ये बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ डील करते हैं, नॉट ओनली इटर्नल लव। बहुत सारे, क्योंकि जो फिल्म है इट्स बेस्ड इन 1940s के दौरान बेस्ड है ये फिल्म, तो बहुत सारे चीज़, माहौल अलग था हमारे देश का उस वक्त, तो बहुत सारे चीज़ हो रहे थे उस वक्त। तो जो बलराज चौधरी का कैरेक्टर जो संजय दत्त सर निभा रहे, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। कुणाल खेमू भी है हमारे फिल्म में, ही हैज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग रोल इन द फिल्म। आदि जो कह रहे हैं, वी शोन वन फैसेट ऑफ हिज कैरेक्टर अभी ट्रेलर में, बट बहुत सारे दूसरे भी चीज़ें, व्हाट हिज रिलेशनशिप ही शेयर्स विद सोनाक्षी, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप ही शेयर्स विद आलिया इन द फिल्म, वो सारी चीज़ें अभी तक बाहर नहीं आए हैं।
Yeah, and they were exploring different relationships. It's like he said, it's love, but love is not only a love that a man feels for a woman.
Yeah.
It's what you feel for your family, for other things. So that's what the film is exploring it in its entirety.